Okay, when you're on the website, you will go to up here to the very top to let's see, shop. Go to shop, and when you click on shop, it'll pull up the books, and you'll be able to see if the product is an ebook version or if it's just paperback. And so I put the ones that to make it more obvious. And see this one that's I've highlighted here. I'm going to click on that. That's a digital workbook. And then you can just purchase it right here. And after you purchase it, you will get an email. And the email will have the link to it. It will open up in Dropbox. You're going to open it on your iPad because that's where it's going to go, right? It's going to take a second to upload. And then you're going to export it. You want to export it to your iPad. So scroll across here and look for your iPad. Click more if you need to. And there's Procreate. And now it's going to import into Procreate. So as this is importing, it's going to sit in its own little file. And I'm going to show you what you need to do when you so you can trace and add pages above it, because it's a little tricky at first when you get in here. But once you get all this in here, it makes total sense. By the way, there is a book bundle where you can get all 3 books for a better deal. So check out that. And we're about done importing. It's going to pull it right up into Procreate. Right up here. There it is. So when I click on that, see the line going across the top? You'll see this, and it says Page Assist right here. So across the bottom, this is the book, and you can look at it right here. However, whoops, that's not it. I just accidentally, that was Dropbox. Let me go back over here. Okay, and so now I want you to know that for you to be able to add a layer and be able to write on a layer above it, you're going to have to uncheck the boxes, because right now they're all checked and they all have like they're all pieces of paper. They all have a white background. And so if you are going to trace something, you'll either need to make sure it's whatever's at the top, which you could definitely do that. So let's just go up here to the top, and we're going to add a layer, and look what happened. That's because we have Page Assist on. So let me go back, and we're going to get rid of Page Assist, okay? So all you have to do is go to the canvas, to the wrench, and click off Page Assist. And now we're going to add a new layer, and we can write on top of this layer. Okay, does that make sense? And then you can just do your upstroke and your downstroke. I don't have the right pen, but you know what I mean. Get the right brush. Make sure you have a some kind of a pressure sensitive, and when you go up it's light, and when you go down it's thick. And just keep practice on control, because you can see it takes a while to get going with your control, but it really is fun, and I want you to be able to enjoy this.